Okay, here's a laptop. It's a Dell Latitude E5550, and this computer has a processor that has a graphics chip on it, and thus the memory is not fully available. Okay, so let's eliminate that problem slightly, not entirely, by opening a File Explorer window and right click this PC and go to Properties. Okay, and on this window we can see that we have RAM, random access memory, 8 gigabytes, but out of 8 only 3 and something is usable. So let's make this number smaller. We cannot totally eliminate this limitation because the graphics chip also requires some memory, because there is no dedicated graphics card on this computer. Now right click on the Start button and go to Run and type in this one, Msconfig, and press enter. Okay, on this window come here to boot, and on the current operating system let's press advanced options. Okay, and here's the problem: maximum memory is checked, smaller value is entered there, so we have more than 4 gigabytes of memory, we have 8. So let's uncheck that one and close it with OK. OK again and restart the computer. Windows is restarting, and then we will enter it again and the limitation should be less. So this is a Dell laptop, Latitude E5550, and it has a i5 processor, 4th generation i5, and the graphics chip is on the processor. So Windows 10 is loading. So let's open a File Explorer window once again. Right click this PC and go to Properties. Okay, and here you can see 7.9 gigabyte is usable. So before it was 3.4 or something like that, and now almost 8 is available. Just a little bit is still allocated to the graphics chip, because that also needs memory, and since there is no dedicated video memory, it must allocate it from the motherboard itself. Okay, so by using Msconfig you can reduce the amount of memory allocated to the graphics chip. That's it, thanks for watching and bye bye.